Bonjour! Bonjour!
No.
Time for bladder check. Check.
So it's a show?
It's a lifestyle.
It's a religion.
My emotions! My emotions!
I'm still French.
Ouais, c'est pas faux.
I'm a woman, Mary. I can be as contrary as I choose.
Non, moi je crois qu'il faut que vous arrêtiez d'essayer de dire des trucs.
Hello, hi, I'm Laura. I'm gonna watch The Expanse Season 5, Episode 2. I just watched the Episode 1, I watched it this morning and it was so great! If you want to see my reaction video about that, I'm gonna put the link into the I really loved it. I'm glad, I'm excited to be back with the show. I can't hide it. I'm just so glad and so excited to be back with the show, with you guys, how much I love the show. You saw me falling in love with this show because I binge watched it in front of you. You were there when I began to have feelings for this show, for these characters, when I had my first tears for it, when really I fell in love with it and I discovered that wonderful community, the Screaming Firehawks. You were there all along this binge watching, you were there all along this journey, you were there when I went to the Comic-Con, meet some members of the cast, you were there also for the last season, and now you're there for this new season. Just 2 more seasons. I already talked about it during the intro of the first episode a lot. I saw that I talked a lot about it, about the fact that we're gonna have just 2 seasons, 2 more seasons of the show. The season 6 is gonna be the last one. I'm okay with it. I made peace with that decision because you guys told me that they're gonna have the time, to translate right and well the stories, because it's based on books, this show, so I was afraid that they were gonna make it shorter to, put everything into just 1 season, but you guys told me that normally it's gonna be okay, just 2 seasons and they can do it. So I believe in you guys for that, really, and I'm just wishing for having more than just that, because also Jamesay Corey, the account, Ty behind it, on Twitter said something like, "This is not the end, guys, calm down, wait and see." So I'm like, can we have movies maybe? Can we have something more? For me, I have the impression that this community is growing up, is expanding. Like me, I discovered the show after the season 3 and none of my friends heard anything about it. Now it's on Amazon and I saw some of my friends sharing stuff about it, like, "I discovered a show, it's wonderful and all," and me, I was like, I already know that. So I'm like, this community is expanding, it's growing up, it's evolving, so it's gonna be right, to finish the show with the season 6, to not, use the story again and again if it doesn't deserve it, if it deserves only 1 season, it could be wrong also to make 1 more just to, use the story again and again. That's right, but in another way, that would be a crime to finish everything about The Expanse, about that franchise right now, if you can do more stuff with it, another show, a spin-off. I think that Ty said that he was against that idea, but movies, maybe? I don't know. That's for what I'm ruling for now, because you guys who read the books told me that it could be possible. So I'm on that side, I believe in you guys, so can we wish for that? Okay, I already talked about it, intro of episode 1. About the episode 1, I really loved it, to be back with the show, to be back with you guys into that mood, that excitement and all. And I loved the episode 1 because of the fact that we spent it with our guys, all of them, even if they are all separated, all of the Rocinante crew went away. Orgon is the only one who is staying on the Rocinante, because he's also the only one who is keeping an eye on the Proto situation. We still like, "Hey guys, okay, you're dealing with your own stuff and we have a political situation right now to resolve, and okay, a lot of things are wrong and we have to deal with it, but remember where we were, you know, on Iris and now, what happened, remember the proto, what can happen and all. It's gonna be, I think, that narrative arc during this season, so it's almost logical that he's the one who is staying on the Rocinante, you know, he's the one waiting for his friends, like, and all of the other ones, they are away because they have to deal, or they want to deal with personal issues. Naomi, she is searching for her son, she's that close to find him. I think that she's gonna find him during this episode. It will be logical, you know. That's gonna be something because we saw him at the beginning of the episode 1. I have the impression that he's already too far. You know, that he's already in his father's side and nothing can change that. Like, he didn't just kill some people, he ordered it, and like really, he doesn't care and is really following, you know, his father's idea, like, we have to do anything that we can, everything that we can to win at the end. Even if it means stealing stuff, killing people who are against us, but also killing people who are with us if we don't have time, you know, to rescue them. He's embracing his father's ideas, he's embracing his father's side, and I'm almost like, I don't know if we can change his mind, if Naomi can do something against that. And I have the impression that she almost already know that, you know, because she said stuff to them like, I need to see him and I need to try. She didn't say stuff like, okay, I'm gonna go, I'm gonna help, I'm gonna change the situation, I'm gonna succeed and all. She said stuff like, I'm gonna try, I just want to see him. That moment when she discovered his face, you know, just how her own son is looking, that was heartbreaking. Amos is going on Earth. We didn't see him for now really on Earth. On Earth. You know what I meant by that? But I have the impression that Amos going on Earth, not going on Earth, but going back to his hometown and all, that's gonna be also emotional. I'm excited, but I'm also really stressed about that. But of course I want to discover more about him, his past and all. A friend of him died, and that's why he's going back, because he has to deal with affairs, you know, he has to end some of her affairs. I had the impression that it was someone, you know, who was almost like a mother for him, or at least someone, you know, like he is with Naomi, with Chris Wren and all, someone that he respected, admired and loved in Amos' way, you know. We're gonna have that. Alex is on Mars, met with Draper, but he didn't... it wasn't what we wanted, but it was what we could expect, you know, with Draper being like that, you know, that's it, she lost you know, a vision of Mars, the dream that she had for Mars, for her future life and all. We saw her losing that during the last season. It was heartbreaking, but also one of my favorite narrative arc of the last season. Meeting Alex like that, Alex who is still in a dream world, like, I just have to come back to say that I'm sorry to my ex-wife and in 2 days she's gonna forgive me and I'm gonna be back with my family and all. No, and you don't know what is happening right now, like on Mars and all. Maybe you're gonna discover that also, and you need to... And that's it for the Rocinante crew. We have Chris Wren also, who is not the Queen of Earth, like Emma said, but who has still, you know, some powers and who is trying to resolve the situation, or at least to have the more information that she can with Draper, with all of her sources and all. What can she do really, even if she's gonna have real information and all? Oh, and also we have that proto researches that Fred and Dawes are doing. I'm not really thinking they can do something wrong with it. most like, because of what they're doing, something wrong can happen. Do you understand what I mean? With the proto, we never know. We're more afraid of that. But I think that we're not gonna have that soon, you know, that's gonna be maybe into the second half of the season, something like that. Really, I'm thinking of this season like the first half is gonna be for the characters, the second half is gonna be for the story, really, for the proto. But yes, that was the first good episode because we were with our characters, we were back, that was great. We know what they're gonna have to resolve during this season. We know what are gonna be the big issues of the season. And also they amplified the fact that the Inaros, you know, narrative arc is gonna be really important and a real big issue because they put them, you know, at the beginning and at the end of the episode. So because of that, we know that even if we're with our characters during a certain time, even if we want to be with them and all, we have to keep our eyes really on the Inaros faction teams. That's gonna be the real thing of this season. I don't know. Don't ask, I don't know, really. I'm just excited. I'm searching for what I'm forgetting, you know, to say during this intro. I think that we're gonna be with all of the characters. Amos, we're gonna see him landing on Earth, having, you know, first meetings or first reunions with people that he knew before. Alden, he can have an hallucination, maybe, something like that. And Alex, maybe we're gonna have the reunion, the real reunion with his son and him with that moment, understanding that, no, what you imagine into your mind, you know, that perfect reunion sing moment is not gonna happen. Maybe we can have something like that, and maybe we can have Drummer also. We didn't see her during the first episode, Drummer. I can understand why, but I want to see her now. Okay? She's also really important into that show. I want to see her. Let's go for this episode 2. You know that I'm not gonna post these reaction videos until next week, you know, to let you guys the time to watch them on your own and to be fair with the show because they are releasing 3 episodes. But it's gonna be hard on Twitter and all after watching these 3 episodes to not tell any spoilers. I'm gonna try to do it because I want really to respect the ones who are taking time to watch the episodes. We don't have, all of us, all of the time that we need to watch 3 episodes of 1 hour each, just like that. I need to stop talking. I need to stop talking, really. Are you ready? Mayday, mayday, mayday. The drums. I said that I wanted to see you just 1 minute ago.
Want this shit, this ours. You want the kid, fight your own.
Don't worry about what I want, worry about what I am due.
Who are you to tell us who we can kill?
I am Kamina Drummer. You respect my claim.
Yes!
You die and become a story. I tell the next captain.
Just try. Just, we can lose about
None in
it.
that.
They target lock us.
I'm reacting like I'm reacting with Amos. Am I discovering right now that I love Drummer as much as I love Amos?
Nice job, no good.
The Chinese power knuckle.
Anything to a chance to be polite.
We will. But if they target lock us again, kill them.
You're giving them the benefit of the doubt. Love that. She's not, you know.
You got your call.
Don't tell everyone I am in control of this area now.
You almost know.
She's in control. Did you get it?
Fucking sleep at night. You people took everything from us.
No, everything.
All of us.
Not your life.
Serge, time to leave.
Search? That's a French name.
This was a good day! That's right, it was.
We woke up in debt, and we gone you fall asleep with money to keep flying.
You were very scary.
No one watching. You can enjoy the winning this one.
What is that? It's a tiny place Auschwitz ship.
Ooh, I was not expecting for his name to be
I
pronounced.
thought I'd actually find it.
Ah, he... Whew. right there. Something woke up right there. Yes, I'm gonna watch each time the opening credit. It would be a crime to not watch it. Ooh. It looks real. That's weird to say it like that, but you know, like right now. So many people, you know, these confinement days, times, it's making me anxious, you know, when there are too many people.
Something I can do for you?
You don't know him?
Maybe. Timothy.
It's his name?
Lydia was always waiting for you to turn up.
Stop, break! I mean, I need to make a break. That's gonna be so weird to explain. I love this name. That's one of my favorite names on the whole world, you know. I named my first, you know, baby toy, you know. I don't know how to say it in English. I named it Timothée. I still have it, but it's a little weird, you know, to show it. I'm an adult and all, but I'm keeping it, you know, in a closet. Timothée! His name is Timothée. During that time, I had one of my teachers named Timothée, and I loved this teacher and how he was looking so much that I named that baby toy Timothée. And most name is Timothy. I'm gonna die. Stop, I need to stop that break. I'm never gonna finish the episode if I'm continuing. I would have bet on it, you know. I wouldn't have said this name, you know. It's so great.
I moved in here 10 years ago, but I knew her a little bit before that. I'm Charles.
Hello, Charles. I'm still confused about the Timothy thing. I think that I'm gonna have to show you Timothée at the end of this. Did you make it?
How did she die? She spent every waking moment hoping to see you again.
Be nice. He seems to be
Tell me,
nice.
it was an aneurysm in her sleep. She
That
died
does.
because we got old and we had a lot of knowledge on us. You need to beat me up to make yourself feel better about abandoning her here. Just do it. Was she happy?
Oh,
I don't know.
really?
But there was
That's his second question, you know.
to that self.
How does she die? Was she happy?
What the fuck? Am I gonna go on without her?
T sounds great.
I knew some you were in that world too, right? She told me some of it. When you got old enough, the Johns didn't want you. So they started you working muscle. They would use you up till there was nothing left.
Float to the top or sink to the bottom. Everything in the middle's a germ. She told me that.
She saved you.
No one really saves anyone.
He must.
She taught me how to save myself. Thank you for being with her.
You know, I spent the best years of my life in this house. I'm gonna miss this.
I hope so. I don't know how, but I hope so.
Why are you leaving?
It's not mine. He wants it back.
What was his name?
Eric.
Do you know him?
Stop acting.
Okay, I might be crying. But you know, Timothy, it must pass
Work crews are doing well.
too much.
I'm gunning for my job.
Fuck you. I really want the job I have now.
I said that with the trailer, I was really worried for Fred's life. They gave me the impression by showing him so much that he was gonna die.
You know what your problem is?
Tell me.
You think if someone's an underdog, that means they're the good guy.
I don't like this conversation at all because of that. Thank you. I don't know why, but I love the fact that she's making compliments, you know, about the rose.
18 if I do it perfect. 6 if you don't mind dying later on.
18.
18 sounds right.
I haven't been completely honest with you.
I'm sure.
There is
No,
piece to this.
not me. I'm not hating her, but I'm not
But
fine.
it proves that someone is going after the proto molecule. Meet me and I will tell you about it.
But there's really nothing I can do.
It proves that someone is going after the proto molecule.
Damn it.
Yes, she managed well to convince you.
On a guy.
Oh, Monica, am I gonna regret what I said about you?
Come in.
Hey,
Need to talk.
You're right.
that's big ones.
I wasn't listening.
I know you didn't do it for me.
I'm pretty sure we already have.
See you and you're living like
You have a problem with my place?
you are snapping at nothing. You're angry and it's not because of something I did.
Well, it wasn't until now.
Fine.
No,
Wait.
Holy shit.
you're
I've
gonna
been
tell
buying
me?
for months. This is all black market. Abba Sarala is funding me.
You're working undercover for Earth to infiltrate Mars?
Abba Sarala is the only one I know for sure who isn't in on it.
You gotta go to the police. Well, that's funny.
The police are in on it. They're the delivery service. I've got a possible lead on stealth missiles.
Those are first strike weapons. Anyone behind one of those wants to attack a planet.
Are you
I
gonna
don't know
help?
if it's a single huge conspiracy or half a dozen small ones. But someone high up in the chain of command.
Me, Sophie. That's a mistake.
You know him?
Sauveterre. It's literally save Earth.
He signed the transfer orders. Everyone in that office was by his say-so. He's a senior lecturer at the War College. We don't travel in the same circles.
Do you know him? Uh-huh. Are you searching for people that you know?
So, this is Eric's corner. Don Amos Burton wants to talk. Man, why don't you go fuck yourself?
You know him? He didn't answer to my question or not.
But I need a friend who would take a message they heard from me. Do you want to be my friend? I'm just gonna kill him. I thought you and I were friends.
Nah.